Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with Unit 3, chapter number 3.3 on page number 69. On page number 69, and the name of the poet is The Road Not Taken. The name of the poet is Robert Frost, and the name of the poem is The Road Not Taken. First, let me give you the introduction of the poem. This is a famous and beautiful poem written by Robert Frost. It is about the journey of life and what he decides when he is at the crossland. So let me introduce and give you some information about Robert Frost. Now, Robert Lee Frost was born in year 1874 on March 26, 1874, and he died on January 29, 1963. He was an American poet. His work was initially published in England before it was published in America. His work frequently employed settling from rural life in New England in the early 20th century. Frost was honored frequently during his lifetime, receiving 4 Pulitzer Prizes for poetry. He became one of the American rare public literary figures almost in artistic institution. He was awarded the Congressional Gold Medal in 1960 for his poetic works. On July 22, 1961, Frost was named Poet Laureate of Vermont. So this was the introduction about the poet. First, I'll read out the poem and then I will start explaining the poem stanza wise. 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the outer as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that the passing there had worn them really about the same. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, 2 roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. So this is the poem which I had read out. Now I will start explanation of the poem stanza wise. 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. Now here the poet Robert Frost, he is telling that the poet is standing at a fork in a road in a forest where the trees have yellow leaves. There are 2 roads going in separate direction. He is telling sorry that he cannot travel among both the roads. Let us see the next lines. And be one traveler, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Now in next 3 lines he is telling that he stands there for long time and peers down one road till the place where it bends and it's covered with the bushes. Okay. Now here the meaning of undergrowth. Undergrowth is small shrub that grow closer to the ground. Undergrowth. Okay. Let us see the next stanza. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim. Now in second stanza the poet is telling that then he takes the other road which was just as good. He felt more attracted to it because it was grassy and did not seem much used. So what here poet is telling? The poet is telling that he has taken the second road. And why he is going there? Because it was grassy and wanted wear. Wanted wear means, see here the meaning is given over here, needed to be used. Okay, though as far as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. So in the next two line he is telling that he felt more attracted to it because it was grassy and did not seem much used, though at the fork both the roads seems equally well used. Now let us see the third stanza. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no steps had trodden back. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on the way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Now what do you mean by trodden? Trodden means press down or crush with the feet. So here in third stanza, in first two lines, what the poet is telling, that morning both of them seemed equally covered with leaves that had not been blackened by the footsteps of the people. Okay, so in leaves no steps had trodden black. Trodden means what? Crushed. Okay, so when morning, when the two, you can see over here the two road diverged, and on both the roads the leaves are fallen on both the roads, and the leaves are not what become black. Why? When someone walks and when your feet falls on that leaves, at that time the leaves become what? Black. So here the poet is telling that both of them seemed equally covered with leaves that had not been blackened by the footstep of the people. Okay, oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads to the onto the way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Now he is telling that, poet is telling that he chose one road and kept the first one for the another day. However, he knew how one decision led to another, and he doubted if he could ever come back. So let us see the fourth stanza, the last stanza. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. In last stanza, the poet is telling that he says that he will be telling this with a sigh somewhere many years later, that when two roads went in a different direction in wood, he had took the one that was less travelled by, and has made all the difference in his life. So it is a beautiful poem written by Robert Frost. So in this poem we come to know that in our life there are many distractions, or there are some moments when we are very much depressed and we are confused. So at that time we have to choose a right path and lead the life. So dear students, I hope you all have understood this poem. I request you all to read the poem again and listen to the video twice. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.